In today's video I'm going to show you how to get the password of Photo Vault app if you forget it or password. This works for every Photo Vault app, so don't worry. This is the app we are going to use today. Let's open the app. If you forget your password, all you have to do is follow along with me. You only have to type 11223344. Like this, you will go to this place. Click OK. Like this, it asks security question from you. This question is asked from you when after downloading the app first time. All you have to do is simply answer the question like this. Like this, it shows your Photo 10 password. Give it here and unlock the app. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe. Enjoy.